In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Wix in just 5 minutes. Let's dive into this quick, yet comprehensive guide to setting up your website on this user-friendly platform. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to the Wix homepage. Wix is a popular website building platform, known for its versatility and ease of use. You'll land on their main page, which showcases all the exciting possibilities you can unlock for your business or personal website. Once there, look for a button labeled Get Started or Sign Up. These calls to action are typically placed at the top of the page to make them easy to find. By clicking on one of these, you'll initiate the process of creating your Wix account. Now, Wix provides you with several options to sign up. You can use your email address, or, if you prefer, you can link your account to an existing Facebook or Google account. Choose the option that's most convenient and secure for you. Using an email might add an extra step, but it keeps things separate from your social media accounts, allowing for a more professional appearance. After signing up, you might have to verify your email address. Wix typically sends a verification email to ensure your account is safe. Just head over to your inbox, find the email from Wix, and click on the verification link provided. This confirms your sign-up process and secures your entrance into the Wix community. Once you're logged in, you have two ways to start building your website: the Wix Editor, or Wix ADI, which stands for Artificial Design Intelligence. The Wix Editor gives you complete creative control with its drag-and-drop feature, perfect if you have a vision in mind. On the other hand, Wix ADI creates a site for you based on answers you provide to a few questions. For beginners, Wix ADI would be an excellent way to start, as you can customize later. Following this, you'll want to select a template. Wix offers a broad range of templates catering to different styles and industries. Whether you're building a portfolio, store, or blog, there's a template to match your needs. Once you've picked one that resonates with your vision, you're good to go. Next comes the exciting part: customization. Add your own images, text, and other elements to make the template uniquely yours. Don't forget to leverage the flexibility of Wix's tools to adjust the layout to better fit your content. When you feel everything looks just right, it's time to preview your website. Wix offers a handy preview function, allowing you to see how your site will appear to visitors on both desktop and mobile. This step is crucial for ensuring a seamless user experience. Finally, when you're satisfied with every detail, click on Publish. And just like that, your website is live for the world to see. With Wix, bringing your ideas to life online is just a few easy steps away.